Outdoor workshop. Kids experience golf in a vibrant summer camp. Summer at Kingdom Baby Shark has never been this exciting. Oh, little baby shark can join an amazing outdoor workshop, discovering the basics of golf in a fresh green space. Let's explore their adorable journey. Sharky eagerly holds the golf club, focuses on the ball, and makes a confident first swing. Shamy patiently practices the correct posture, learning step by step how to balance and control strength. Rubi beams with joy as the ball rolls right to the target. Masy learns simple golf rules while playing, developing focus and perseverance. Not just physical activity, golf helps children build coordination, concentration, confidence from an early age. A vibrant summer camp full of exciting activities, where every school day becomes an adventure. Parents, do you want your child to experience modern sports and develop both physically and mentally? Comment below to let Baby Shark know.